Albatross is departing. Rolling 1-35. We'll be right turn up and take off 1500 feet for south. Around we go, eh?
Yep. I was surprised at how quiet the jet really is.
Yeah, no, it's pretty quiet inside.
When you're saying that people are complaining, it's surprising.
Yeah, they do. Yeah, it's how they like to tell you where they are instead of, you know, I'm telling them I'm going out to the east and they don't say nothing, then they want to say something right near them. Alrighty, how's that?
Wow.
And we got for a barrel roll. Woohoo!
Wow.
Down we go. And we go for a 4-point roll. And 1, 2, 3, 4. How you doing?
Good.
Oh, so down we go, hey? Get a bit of, get you to put your hands out in front of you. Got them out in front?
Yep.
Getting ready to tense. And tensing up.
Yeah.
Here we go. Upside down. How's that?
Wow. Bit different to Qantas.
Yeah, coming on down the other side. So get ready to tense. A bit of green coming up.
Yeah.
Alright. And get ready to tense. Up we go. Looking out to the left. Around we go. And around we go. How's that? Alright, I'll give you a rest after this.
Yeah.
How's that?
Good.
How do you feel?
Yeah, pretty good.
Good stuff. Righty. Go down, we'll do a barrel roll and we'll make our way back in, eh?
Okay.
Traffic. Gimpy, Foxtrot, Bravo Lima, Cessna 172, taxiing for runway 14 for circuit Gimpy.
Does the camera catch a bit of the outside view as well?
Yeah, it gets it all behind you and stuff, yeah.
Good.
All stations Gimpy is the Albatross. There's 3 miles to the